From Russia to Mexico, Steplead Pactek has provided high-speed 3-5-gallon bottling solutions for dozens of name-brand companies. Flexibility in design, proven technology, long-lasting dependability and ease of maintenance are just some of the features that make Steplead Pactek high-speed bottling systems the finest in the industry. Steplead Pactek's core businesses today represented by designing and manufacturing of complete lines for 5-gallon bottles, with a production capacity from 300 to 3.000 pph. Steplead Pactek lines are designed following two main guidelines. Product hygienic safety, guaranteed by Steplead Pactek's advanced washing cycle studied in cooperation with the main multinational chemical companies. Flexibility, in order to customize the machines on the different requirements in terms of bottle shape, dimension, capacity, washing standard. After 50 years of experience in washing process, Steplead Pactek washing machines were 5-gallon, manufactured in different sizes from 300 to 3.0ob/h, is able to guarantee the highest level of bottle hygienic quality today on the market. Steplead Pactek fillers for still water in large containers fulfills the following requirements. The filling process avoids the contact between the valve and the neck of the bottle, risk of contamination transfer. The filling process is electronically controlled to ensure into the bottle the predetermined volume of water. The filling valve and all the piping, valves etc. in contact with the product have a sanitary design and are made of IC316SS. All parts in contact with the product are pre-arranged for 3 or 5 steps SIP, cleaning in place, sterilization treatment. The filling cabinet is equipped with overpressure airflow. A minimum class 1000 air filtration is guaranteed, so as to protect the filling environment from the external ambient contamination. The washer and filler is in block in order to avoid the potential contamination of the clean bottles traveling from the washer outlet to the filling area. Fully automated washer systems. Standard or custom wash configurations. Static and inserting spray technology available. Fully automated filler systems in linear and rotary configurations. Non-contact filling. Proven capping technology on every system. High-quality construction conveyor available in many configurations. Standard and custom designed layouts to meet your requirements. Automated material handling and quality control can be added easily. From Russia to Mexico, Steplead Pactek has provided high-speed 3-5-gallon bottling solutions for dozens of name-brand companies. Flexibility in design, proven technology, long-lasting dependability and ease of maintenance are just some of the features that make Steplead Pactek high-speed bottling systems the finest in the industry. Steplead Pactek's core businesses today represented by designing and manufacturing of complete lines for 5-gallon bottles, with a production capacity from 300 to 3.000 pph. Steplead Pactek lines are designed following two main guidelines. Product hygienic safety, guaranteed by Steplead Pactek's advanced washing cycle studied in cooperation with the main multinational chemical companies. Flexibility, in order to customize the machines on the different requirements in terms of bottle shape, dimension, capacity, washing standard. After 50 years of experience in washing process, Steplead Pactek washing machines were 5-gallon, manufactured in different sizes from 300 to 3.0ob/h, is able to guarantee the highest level of bottle hygienic quality today on the market. Steplead Pactek fillers for still water in large containers fulfills the following requirements. The filling process avoids the contact between the valve and the neck of the bottle, risk of contamination transfer. The filling process is electronically controlled to ensure into the bottle the predetermined volume of water. The filling valve and all the piping, valves etc. in contact with the product have a sanitary design and are made of IC316SS. All parts in contact with the product are pre-arranged for 3 or 5 steps SIP, cleaning in place, sterilization treatment. The filling cabinet is equipped with overpressure airflow. A minimum class 1000 air filtration is guaranteed, so as to protect the filling environment from the external ambient contamination. the washer and filler is in block in order to avoid the potential contamination of the clean bottles traveling from the washer outlet to the filling area. Fully automated washer systems. Standard or custom